Shiffai. Nothing is like what it seems. Humble beginnings taught me that things have hidden meanings. Underlying thorns, allegorical metaphors, spoken parables. Highly lyrical, some spiritual. Higher heights in the realms of supernatural behind the physical. I mean not something visible. From behind veils, hands the unseen, not accessible to the unclean quarantine. What's hidden in obvious? You can live a lifetime and still not get it. Appearances of mislead you, cannot out to deceive you. Allah is gonna test you. What's hidden in obvious? You can live a lifetime and still not get it. Appearances of mislead you, cannot out to deceive you. Allah is gonna test you. You have no knowledge of all created things being with wings. Obviously not humans, because your every move just like the show of Truman. They're not out there discussing and assuming. Recollect events with perfect precision. Never absent witness to all of it. There's also wicked and malefic demons that come in the form of beautiful women. What's hidden and obvious? You can live a lifetime and still not get it. Appearances and mislead you, cannot out to deceive you. Allah is gonna test you. What's hidden and obvious? You can live a lifetime and still not get it. Appearances and mislead you, cannot out to deceive you. Allah is gonna test you. Unsure hearts, it's evidence to believe. What should deceive the history must proceed, warning mankind with the hope that they take heed. Ward of evil in order that they may succeed. Worldly needs, temporary gain versus eternal life. Homie, are you insane, man? Lack of empathy is inhumane. Seek refuge in Allah from the accursed Satan, man. What's hidden and obvious? You can live a lifetime and still not get it. Appearances of mislead you, cannot out to deceive you. Allah is gonna test you. What's hidden and obvious? You can live a lifetime and still not get it. Shiffai. Appearances of mislead you, cannot out to deceive you. Allah is gonna test you. They don't know mankind is dealing with the enemy that's been around before our forefather Adam. None can succeed against him without Allah's guidance.